Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Scruffy Cub. Welcome back. And today I'm unboxing again another IL MAKIAGE product. They got me again because they had this really cool primer called No Filter, and it said that it actually blurs the skin. And I don't know if I'm being suckered by some like fake thing they're doing. I really want to know if this primer really works. So this is the IL MAKIAGE No Filter primer. So this is complete bare face. So we're going to do primer first, and we're going to see if we can blur out some of these imperfections without any makeup. I'm still going to put on some foundation and concealer after to see how the primer works with product. But the packaging is great. It's a really like shiny bottle that says their name. I'm just going to go ahead and start with the T-zone because that's what they said. It's very gel-like. The silicone. Shit better work. I don't think it's going to work like it says on the computer and the internet and the Instagram ads, because there's no way. Because it looked like they were rubbing a blur tool on their skin and it blurred everything out. Okay, so hang tight. I'm going to be back in 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm back, and I turned my ring light off because I wanted to give you real lighting, because the ring light is very forgiving and it blurs the skin. So this is the way the skin looks about 2 minutes after the primer's been put on. I must say I see a shiny effect. Still see my pores. They're right there. If I'm correct, it almost looks like a film is over them. So I guarantee you, when I put this cosmetic on over it, it's going to be like flat. That's probably what it does. Here's the ring light. So first impression with just the primer, it does feel very nice and smooth and it's set. So with that said, let's go ahead and put on concealer with it. I think for getting photographed, this will absolutely read wonderful on camera. And I think that that's the point of most of these products, to read well on film, because the whole world is on film now. These products are geared towards looking good under good lighting. And they do. That's the review. They lied about their products. You know, the video's fake, but it's a good primer. Do I want to keep it for the 52 bucks? I don't know yet. I have to wear it maybe 1 or 2 more times, but I'm not giving it a bad review. I think it's really nice. It feels good. And if you have $52 and you spend $52 on your primers, buy it, you know. But if you want to try it like I did for $8 shipping just to see, do it. They take back the bottle. Doesn't matter how much you used. Comment down below if you've used it and you liked it. Comment down below if you see a difference in my skin from the beginning of the video to now. And if you think that even before that it did something to my pores. But anyway, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Please let me know if you liked this video. Please thumbs it up. It means a lot to me. And any other products that you like and want to see me review, let me know. And have a wonderful weekend.